We don't need to learn Ojibwe. We don't need to know the culture. When am I gonna need to know how to say blueberry pie in Ojibwe? When am I gonna need to know that anyway? Oh, while we were speaking Ojibwe moen. Oh, while we are speaking Ojibwe moen. Oh, while we were speaking Ojibwe moen. Oh, while we are speaking Ojibwe moen.
Wrong! Say it again! You can't have any blueberry pie until you say it in Ojibwe. How can you say it in Ojibwe if you don't know how to say blueberry pie? Mina bushki, mina sagani, batusi chigani, bakwajigan. I mean, what's so hard about that?
Oh. So, here's our song, and we hope you like it. Hey. Mina bashki mina sagani batusi chikani bakwe shikan. Mina bashki mina sagani batusi chikani bakwe shikan. Mina bashki mina sagani batusi chikani bakwe shikan. Mina bashki mina sagani batusi chikani bakwe shikan.
And I wanted a piece of blueberry pie, so I went up and I asked this guy, but he only spoke Ojibwe, so I had to say,
Mina bashki mina sagani batusi chikani bakwe shikan. Mina bashki mina sagani batusi chikani bakwe shikan. Yeah, mina bashki mina sagani batusi chikani bakwe shikan. Mina bashki mina sagani batusi chikani bakwe shikan. Hey. Hoka hey, mina bashki mina sagani batusi chikani bakwe shikan. Blueberry pie. And you have been listening to
BOOZHOO, not a BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha.
I am Michael. And I am Nana BOOZHOO. And I will see you again.
Gigawabamin.
Minawa. Ho.
All right. Good job, sweetie.
Ho. Yeah, good job. a boat to England, baby, maybe to Spain. Wherever I have gone, wherever I've been and gone, wherever I have gone, the blues are all the same. Send out for whiskey, baby, send out for gin. Me and room service, honey, me and room service, babe, me and room service. Well, we're living a life of sin. When I'm not drinking, baby, you're on my mind. When I'm not sleeping, honey, when I ain't sleeping, mama, when I'm not sleeping, you know, you'll find me crying. Try another city, baby, another town. Wherever I have gone, wherever I've been and gone, wherever I have gone, the blues come following down. Loving is a gamble, baby, loving's much the same. Wherever I have played, wherever I've thrown them dice, wherever I have played, the blues have run the game. All right, here's a song by John Cougar Mellencamp. The song is called Pink Houses. Now there's a black man with a black cat. He lives in a black neighborhood. He's got an interstate running through his front yard. He thinks, Lord, I've got it so good. Now there's a woman in the kitchen cooking up the evening slop, and he looks at her and he says, hey darling, I remember when you could stop a clock. Oh, but ain't that America? You and me, ain't that America? It's something to see, baby, ain't that America? It's home of the free. Little pink houses for you and me. All for you and me. Now there's a young boy in a t-shirt. He listens to a rock and roll station. He's got greasy hands and a greasy smile. He thinks, Lord, this must be my destination. And I remember when I was younger, they said, boy, you're gonna be president. But just like everything else, those crazy dreams kinda came and went. Oh, but ain't that America for you and me? Ain't that America? It's something to see, baby. Ain't that America? Home of the free. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Little pink houses for you and me. All for you and me. Now people and more people, what do they know? No, they go to work in some high rise and vacation out the Gulf of Mexico. Now remember, they're losers, but that ain't no big deal. 'Cause a simple man, baby, pays the bills, the thrills, the bills that kill. Oh, but ain't that America for you and me? Ain't that America? There's something to see, baby. Ain't that America? Home of the free. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Little pink houses for you and me. All for you and me. Traveling in a Friday Combi on a hippie trail full of zombies. I met a strange lady, she made me nervous. She took me in, then gave me breakfast. She said, do you come from a land down under, where the women glow and the men pull under? Can't you hear the thunder? You better run, you better take cover. Buying bread from a man in Brussels. He was 6'4" and full of muscles. I said, do you speak of my language? He just smiled and gave me a Vegemite sandwich. He said, do you come from a land down under, where the women glow and the men plunder? Can't you hear the thunder? You better run, you better take cover. I'm in a den in Bombay with a slack jaw, not much to say. I said to the man, are you trying to tempt me? Because I come from a land of plenty. And he said, do you come from a land down under, where the women grow and the men plunder? Get your hair, doom and plunder. Can't you hear the thunder? You better run, you better take cover. You better run, you better take cover. You better run, you better take cover. You better run, you better take cover.
Oh, that was great, sweetie.
Oh, thank you very much. Take it away, baby. Floating down through the clouds, memories come rushing up to me now. But in the space between the heavens and the corner of some foreign field, I had a dream. Goodbye, Max. Goodbye, Mom. After the service, when you're walking slowly to the car, and the silver in her hair shines in the cold November air, you hear the tolling bell and touch the silk in her lapel. And as the teardrops rise to meet the comfort of the band, you take her frail hand and hold on to the dream. Hello everyone, welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, the BOOZHOO podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Ojibwe language is dog. You can call me Ani. That's what my friends call me. A place to stay, enough to eat, somewhere old heroes shuffle safely down the street, where you can speak out loud about your doubts and fears. And what's more, no one ever disappears. You never hear their standard issue kicking in your door. You can relax on both sides of the tracks, and maniacs don't blow holes in bandsmen by remote control. And everyone has recourse to the law, and no one kills the children anymore. No one kills the children anymore. Night after night, going round and around my brain, the stream is driving me insane. In the corner of a foreign field, a gunner sleeps tonight. What's done is done. We cannot just write off this final scene. take heed of the dream. It's a little bit funny, this feeling inside. I'm not one of those who can easily hide. I don't have much money, but boy, if I did, I'd buy a big house where we both could live. If I was a sculptor, but then again, who knows, or a man who makes potions in a traveling show. I know it's not much, but it's the best I can do. My gift is my song, and this one's for you. And you can tell everybody this is your song.
Hello, everybody.
It may be quite simple, but now that it's done,
He's a cat.
I hope you don't mind. I hope you don't mind that I put down
Cat,
the words.
guys, you dance.
How
There goes the fan. I wonder if that's gonna be
wonderful life is while
Where you go?
you're in the world.
I tell you, it's not easy working with these amateurs. Hey, do you mind? Come here once. I want to interview you.
I sat on the roof and kicked at the moss, but a few of the verses, well, they've got me quite cross. But the sun's been quite kind while I wrote this song. It's for people like you that keep it turned on. So excuse me for getting, but these things I do, you see, I've forgotten if they're green or they're blue. Anyway, the thing is, what I really mean, yours are the sweetest eyes I've ever seen. And you can tell everybody this is your song. It may be quite simple, but now that it's done, I hope you don't mind, I hope you don't mind that I put down the words. How wonderful life is while you're in the world. I hope you don't mind, I hope you don't mind that I put down the words. How wonderful life is while you're in the world. I swear I recognize your face, hauntingly familiar yet I can't seem to place it. Can I find a candle of thought to light your name? Lifetime is catching up with me. All these changes take place. I wish I'd seen your face. Perhaps that's what no one wants to see. Hearts and thoughts, they fade away. Hearts and thoughts, they fade away. I swear I recognize your breath. Memories like fingerprints are slowly reaching, but he wouldn't recall, for I'm not my former. It's hard when you're stuck upon the shelf. I change by not changing at all. This small town predicts my fall. Perhaps that's what no one wants at all. But I just wanna scream, hello, my God, it's been so long. I've returned, but now here you are, and here I am. Hearts and thoughts, they fade away. 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 Fade away. Fade away. Ooh, child, things are gonna get easier. Ooh, child, things are gonna be brighter. Ooh, child, things are gonna get easier. Ooh, child, things are gonna be brighter. Someday we'll get it together, then we'll get it all done. Someday when your head is much lighter. Someday we'll walk in the rays of a beautiful sunrise. Someday when the world is much brighter. Ooh, child, things are gonna get easier. Ooh, Ooh, child, things are gonna be brighter. Ooh, child, things are gonna get easier. Ooh, child, things are gonna be brighter. Someday we'll get it together, then we'll get it all done. Someday when your head is much lighter. Someday we'll walk in the rays of a beautiful sunrise. Someday when the world is much brighter than now. Right now, you just wait and see how things are gonna be. You just wait and see how things are gonna be. You just wait and see how things are gonna be. Ooh, child, things are gonna get easier. Ooh, child, things are gonna be brighter. Well, the south side of Chicago is the baddest part of town. And if you go down there, you better just beware of a man called Leroy Brown. Well, Leroy, more than trouble. You see, you stand about 6'4". All the downtown ladies call him treetop lover, and the men just call him sir. And it's bad, bad Leroy Brown, baddest man in the whole damn town, badder than the old King Kong, and meaner than a junkyard dog. Now Leroy, he a gambler, and he like his fancy clothes, and he like to wear his diamond rings in front of everybody's nose. He got a Lincoln Continental, he got an Eldorado too, he got a 32 gun in his pocket for fun, and a razor in his shoe. And it's bad, bad Leroy Brown, baddest man in the whole damn town, badder than the old King Kong, and meaner than a junkyard dog. Well, Leroy, about a week ago, Leroy shooting dice, and at the edge of the bar sat a girl named Doris, and ooh, that girl looked nice. Well, he cast his eyes upon her, and the trouble soon began. And Leroy Brown learned a lesson about messing with the wife of a jealous man. And it's bad, bad Leroy Brown, baddest man in the whole damn town, badder than the old King Kong, and meaner than a junkyard dog. Well, the two men took to fighting, and when they pulled them from the floor, Leroy looked like a jigsaw puzzle with a couple of pieces gone. And it's bad, bad. Leroy Brown, baddest man in the whole damn town. Badder than the old King Kong, and meaner than a junkyard dog. He was badder than the old King Kong, and meaner than a junkyard dog. He was badder than the old King Kong, and meaner than a junkyard dog.
Shed a tear 'cause I'm missing you. Still alright to smile. Girl, I think about you every day now. Was a time when I wasn't sure, but you set my mind at ease. Girl, you're in my heart now, na 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 na. Sad woman, take it slow now. All right, take two.
Take two.
You gonna pull out the guitar?
Oh, I was thinking maybe you want to do a little, what were you singing there?
Patience.
Yeah.
La 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 la. Just a little patience, yeah. Just a little patience, yeah. Just a little. Oh, I've been walking the streets tonight, just trying to get it right. It's hard to see you with so many around. You know I don't like being stuck in the crowd, and the streets don't change, but maybe today I ain't got time for the game, 'cause I need you. Yeah, 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 well I need you. Ooh, I need you. Oh, I need you. Ooh, this time. Hey. Hey, everybody. Welcome back to the show.
I was born in a small town, and I live in a small town. I'll probably die in a small town or a small community. All my friends are so small town. My parents live in the same small town. my job is so small town, provides little opportunity. Educated in a small town, taught to fear Jesus in a small town. I used to daydream in this small town, another bored romantic, that's me. Well, I've seen it all in a small town, had myself a ball in a small town. I met an LA doll and brought her to this small town. Now she's small town just like me. No, I cannot forget where it is I come from. I cannot forget those who love me. I can be myself here in this small town, and people let me be just what I wanna be. Got nothing against the big town, still hayseed enough to say, look who's in the big town. But my bed's in a small town, and that's good enough for me. Well, I was born in a small town, and I can breathe in a small town. I'll probably die in a small town, yeah, that's probably where they'll bury me.
Oh, that was great, sweetie. Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, on the guitar, Natasha. Oh, should we try, Take On Me?
Yeah, we can do that.
All right. This is by Aha. The song is called Take On Me.
Talking away, I don't know what I'm to say, I'll say it anyway. Today's another day to find you shying away. I'll be coming for your love, okay?
Take on me, take me on, I'll be gone in a day or two. So needless to say, I'm odds and ends, but I'll be stumbling awake, slowly learning that life is okay. Say after me, it's no better to be safe than sorry. Take on me, take me on, I'll be gone in a day or two. Garbage. And I gotta say, just because it says it's expired, don't mean it ain't. So you're gonna finish at the actually? All the things that you say, is it life or just to play my worries away? You're all the things I've got to remember. You shine away I'll be coming for you anyway. Take on me, take me on. I'll be gone in a day or two. Take on me, take me on. I'll be gone in a day or two. In a day or two. In a day or two.
Bum ba dum, bum ba bum 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 ba dum, bum ba bum bum. We don't need no education. Bum ba dum, bum ba bum bum. We don't need no thought control. Bum ba dum, bum ba bum bum. No dark sarcasm in the classroom. Bum ba dum, bum ba bum bum. Teacher, leave them kids alone. Bum bum. Hey! Teacher, leave them kids alone. All in all, you were all just bricks in the wall. All in all, you were all just bricks in the wall. All in all, you were another brick in the wall. All in all, you were another brick in the wall. Bum ba dum, bum ba bum 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 ba dum, bum ba bum bum.
Wrong!
Ba dum,
Do it again.
bum ba bum.
You can't have any pudding if you don't eat your meat.
And this song is called Paranoid Eyes from kind of a underappreciated album, The Final Cut. And everyone's like, oh, the Dark Side of the Moon, oh, The Wall. But The Final Cut is like a really great album, you know. So anyway, this is from that album. Button your lip and don't let the shield slip. Take a fresh grip on your bulletproof mask. And if they try to break down your disguise with their questions, you can hide, hide, hide. Behind paranoid eyes. You put on your brave face and slip over the road for a jar, fixing your grin as you casually lean on the bar, laughing too loud at the rest of the world with the boys in the crowd. You can hide, hide, hide. bright eyes. You believed in their stories of fame, fortune, and glory. Now you're lost in a haze of alcohol and soft middle age. The pie in the sky turned out to be miles too high. And you hide, hide, hide. Behind brown and mild eyes.
And you have been watching BOOZHOO, Not a BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture.
Maybe I didn't love you quite as often as I could have. Maybe I didn't treat you quite as good as I should have. And if I made you feel second best, girl, I'm sorry I was blind. You were always on my mind. You were always on my mind. Maybe I didn't hold you all those lonely, lonely nights. And I guess I never told you that I'm so happy that you're mine. The little things I should have said and done, I just never took the time. You were always on my mind. You were always on my mind. Tell me that your sweet love hasn't died. And give me one more chance to keep you satisfied. I'll keep you satisfied. Little things I should have said and done, I just never took the time. You were always on my mind.